They lock me for the weed that was blazing. I can't stand the hate on every five of being motherfucker slaps of bacon. CPD hates me, and all I got is 12 letters. FUCK, and ACAB berries making shiver. They're trying to send me a state in the river, cause my skin a big issue. Look at Eliza still killing. Slave patrol was their beginning. The class traders that's in your city. And vigilantes is y'all cheering. The Chris Dorner is my hero, and they know I'm still with it. I'm strapped, loaded, and I conceal with it. When they tell me freeze, I'm just chilling, trying to avoid these 10 pennies. There you go.